Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Vein of choice which is used in central venous pressure monitoring is internal jugular vein, that is right-sided internal jugular vein is the vein of choice for monitoring central venous pressure. And the acute complication of using this of doing this central venous pressure monitoring is there can be accidental arterial puncture can occur, whereas the chronic complication is there can be infections can be seen in the patient at that site.
thank you and thank you for watching.